Mini models, a favorite among novice drivers, have long attracted considerable attention. Brands such as Yingang MINI, XO Baboon, Little Bear, and Magic Cube 150 have already explored the market. Hard Steel, with years of experience in the mini market, unveiled its first automatic mini model, the AT150, based on the Yingang MINI, at the Chongqing Motorcycle Show. Priced at 9,680 yuan, this static review demonstrates the vehicle's performance. Each of the many minicar models on the market has its own unique strengths. The AT150 uses the proven single-cylinder 150 engine, which delivers 8 kilowatts of maximum power at 7,500 RPM and 11.5 Newton-meters of maximum torque at 5,500 RPM. On paper, these specifications are among the highest among 150 mini models. Combined with the CVT transmission, it offers a simple entry-level experience and powerful power. The engine also performs excellently in real-world tests, boasting better heat dissipation and anti-vibration properties than horizontal engines. The AT150's appearance continues to reflect the design of its predecessors. Classic elements from the Mini and Super Mini are inherited. The one-piece track seat, combined with the Chongqing tortoiseshell tires, adds a touch of mini climbing flair. It's a cute and pleasant-looking minicar with good customization and good performance. The instrument cluster uses a classic round negative pointer instrument cluster, finished in black and with a good texture. It has everything you need for everyday speed, gear position, fuel consumption, and more. The universal handlebar switches, with decent grip and damping textures, are standard. It's worth noting that both the left and right handlebars have brake levers, while the left rear and right front levers are adjustable due to the transmission mode change. The all-LED headlights feature an LED lens and a circular daytime running light strip. The lighting effect has been tested to be good. The taillights and turn signals all feature circular LEDs, adding texture while preserving the classic look. Braking performance reaches premium levels at the 150 level. Dual disc brakes front and rear, and the front and rear calipers are single-acting, dual-piston. It's worth noting that the vehicle we test drove today is the first test group to feature single front-wheel ABS. The official production version features dual-channel ABS, and the price remains unchanged. The single-piece Caterpillar seat provides a pleasant riding experience. It's paired with upright, non-adjustable shock absorbers at the front and a 5-stage adjustable spring damping shock at the rear. The overall setup focuses more on comfort and performs well in everyday use. The tires are multi-purpose tires supplied by Chongqing, measuring 120/70-12 at the front and 130/70-12 at the rear. With 155 mm of ground clearance, you'll feel virtually uninhibited when riding on some rough roads. At the same time, thanks to its 120 kg curb weight, even petite women can easily stand up in reverse, and there's no riding threshold. The AT150 uses a CVT transmission, while its vertical engine and classic gearshift layout reduce rear-wheel load, providing greater maneuverability and sportiness. The Bear series and the AT150 both have a similar power output of 10.6 horsepower, using a manual clutch. This makes it a challenging vehicle to master, as it requires experience with the gearshifts. The AT150's factory seat height of just 680 mm is incredibly comfortable, allowing even a female rider of approximately 155 mm to place her feet firmly on the ground. Combined with the high-set handlebars, even someone as tall as 175 cm won't need to lean forward. The factory seat offers exceptional riding comfort, while the class-leading 12.5-liter fuel tank provides a range of over 500 kilometers. With its versatile, original tires and comfortable shock absorption, the AT150 adapts extremely easily to a wide variety of road conditions, delivering outstanding overall performance.